This is Casey Doty with the Tech Matters YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the design section in Command to create some pretty cool custom virtual backgrounds for your Zoom meeting. We're going to start out in Command today, and then we'll be switching over to Zoom so I can show you where to use these virtual backgrounds we're going to create in the design section of Commands. So you might know, you might not know, you can use virtual backgrounds in Zoom to replace whatever background is like in your house or in your office with a cool virtual background. Now they give you like 6 that are available on there, but you can actually use any picture you have or any video you have as your virtual background. So Keller Williams did a cool thing and created a bunch of backgrounds for you guys in design. Keller Williams did a cool thing by putting a bunch of customizable backgrounds into the design section so you can use those in Zoom. So let's go into the design section. Then we're going to go click on the plus symbol in the bottom right hand corner down here. We're going to go to social, click next. Now we're going to go down on this. So when you first come in, you're going to be right here in the KW app for Instagram section. You want to click on the left hand side down here on pivot shift ahead, and you're going to see meeting backgrounds right here. So you can use, so they have a couple of these here like these. You can just use these without making any editing. So right here you can, so let's, for instance, let's do this one. So we're going to click use, and on this one looks like all you're going to have to switch out is your logo. So you can see right here, have our logo, and we're going to come over here into logos. I have a bunch of logos uploaded, and when you want to replace something here, you just click this little replace icon, and we're going to replace that with our logo. And I'm going to make mine a little bigger and put it right there. So that's all you have to do, and then we're going to download this, and we're going to download it as a PNG. And start download. Okay, so that'll be in our downloads file for when we get there. And now if you want to, like if you don't have these logos in here and you want to upload them, you can actually upload them. You can actually upload logos into here. Now, like I said, I already have these in here, but you can upload logos into this section. So let's go back now. So we're going to say done. So then we're going to do this again. So you can see that one I did is right there. So we're going to do again, social and next. And we're going to go into, we're in meeting backgrounds. It should just take you right back here. So let's do this one next. I'm going to click on that. And then you can enter your own info here. So I'm actually going to add in, so I'm going to go to my library here and go to, I'm going to go to logos again, and I'm going to go ahead and throw in our logo. So the logo will be right here. And then for your content, you can kind of do whatever you want here. So another thing you could put right here, for instance, is, and click on this, and I like clicking the little typewriter button up here, and we can say, think big, aim high, act bold. So now we're going to want to spread that out. I think I'm going to make that black. So if you wanted, you can put that right there. And if you want to change the alignment, like you want to make it, change the justification, any of that. So now I like underlining those. So you can put that right there. So you can kind of customize it how you want. And then again, we're going to say, we're going to call this Think Big, and we're going to download it. I'm going to say done. Another one, just going to do one more real quick. So I think this black one looks pretty cool. So again, super easy. This comes up. So say you want to put your own logo in here. Well, you can go to Images, click Add, and I'm actually going to click Upload, and I have my logo downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my logo, add that in, and I might put this over here. And again, I'm always going to switch out that brokerage logo. So always want to switch out that brokerage logo. Now right here, I would actually probably use a white one. But yeah, so you get the idea. So you can switch any of this stuff out. Again, download this as a PNG. So now that we have those downloaded, I'm going to go into Zoom and show you how to use this in Zoom. So once you're inside a Zoom meeting, it's super easy to switch out your virtual background as well as adding a new one. So we're just going to click on the arrow right next to the Stop Video button, go choose Virtual Background, and you can see they already have a couple here that you can use. Have the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. This one's actually a video background that moves. Or we can add our own. So I'm going to add those that we just did. So I'm going to go to my downloads. For instance, let's add that one. And now you can see we now have this one as our background. So you can see we have that one, or again, add another one we just did. So there you go. So now some of these I would do depending on how I'm sitting. So like this one, I might like to be all the way back here with the chair not in the screen, obviously. So it looks like you're actually standing. Now, depending on the better camera you have and things like that, I don't have my camera from home right now, so you can see a little tracking in the background. But the better your camera and the more flat the background is. So right now, I'm actually on an angle with this wall. So if I move this and try to get with a more flat background, I can't do it where I'm at, but that actually changes. So you want a super straight flat wall behind you, not having the wall at an angle, and that'll make a big difference on this. But there you go. So that's how you do a virtual background. Thanks, guys. Thank you for watching the Tech Matters YouTube channel. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notified anytime there's a new video.